Hey there! In this video, we're going to learn how to get the length of a list in Python. Let's dive in! In Python, you can easily get the length of a list using the built-in length function. It tells you how many items are there in your list. LEN is short for length. Let's see an example. Suppose we have a list of numbers. Numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To get the length of this list, you simply call length function with the list of numbers as the argument. Here, the length function with the given list of numbers returns the number of items in the list, which is 5 in this case. We assign this value to the variable length and print the length to output. Let's try another example with a list of fruits. To get the length of this list, you simply call length function with the fruits list passed as the argument. The length function with the given list of strings returns the number of items in the list, which is 3 in this case. And that's how you get the length of a list in Python. Super easy and super useful. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Python tips. See you next time.